So this is problem 19, it's problem 25 or chapter 19 of Giancoli 6th edition. And this is a problem from the web assign, but it's very similar or uses the same circuit that we had in an example from the book, which was the example 19.8. Okay, so go through that example 19.8. There is also a YouTube video about it, and in that problem we found the values of those currents. Okay, so we already have the values of those currents, and now we are going to continue answer some questions that WebAssign is asking us. Okay, so the first question is this one: what is the potential difference? Okay, so what is the potential difference? VA minus VD. Okay, so I start in A and VA minus VD. Between A and D, well, you know that D and H is the same thing, right? So between A and D, we just have the resistance 30. So I know that VA, where I'm starting from and going to D, VA in principle would be a higher potential, and VA is larger, so this I would write as plus 30 I1. Okay, now the thing is I already found I1. I know that I1 is negative, so I'm going to put this number here and I'm going to get that negative value that you see at the answer. Okay, so this is it. This is all we need to do for part A. For part B, what we want for part B is what is the terminal voltage of each battery. So you see in the problem that the battery comes together with an internal resistance, right? What they are giving to us here is the EMF, is not the net voltage that the battery provides us, but is the EMF. And you know very well how to get then the voltage. Now, the voltage for that battery that I'll call the battery 2 is equal to the EMF for that 2 minus I3R, where this R is just 1. I have I3, we have the EMF 2, we have the resistance, so you're going to get what is V2. Same thing for this other battery here. I'll call it the V1. We have the EMF, we have the current I2, and we have the little resistance R. So with that, you're going to get the value of the voltage. So both voltage will be a little smaller than the EMF. And this is the end of this problem.